Hello viewers, my name is Israel, aka Because He Cares, and this is Mathematics Made Easy channel. We are on quadratic equation part 2. On our chalkboard, example 3 shows g squared plus 4g equals 21. With this equation, we want it to balance to give us equals is 0. So once we transfer positive 21 to this side, it will give you negative 21. So we have g squared plus 4g equals minus 21g equals 0. Then from here now, like we said in our first video, that we need something that will multiply, and at the same time you will deduct that will give you this value. So we are using this to multiply this. That means this one equate making 1, and if any value is here, if we have 2 here, the same value in front we will use to multiply the 1 here. So from here now, if you multiply 21 by 1, it still give you 21. But we are looking for what we are going to remove or we add together that will give you this plus 4. So that's why we use this method. So I said 21 here, 3 in 21 to give him 7, and 7 in 7 it will give me 1. So if you multiply 3 times 7, it's going to give us 21. And if you look at this thing, to get this plus 4, that means if you have plus 7 and you deduct minus 3, it will come back to plus 4. So that means we're good to go to use this value. So we now input this one instead of 4 now. So it now become g squared minus 3g plus 7g. This 21 minus 21 equals 0. So we now expatiate. So g squared minus 3g plus 4g minus 21 equals 0. Then we look for the one that is common. Common here is g. We bring g outside, and this g divide this remain g. Negative will still come down. G divide this one remaining 3. Then we bring out our positive here. What is common here? We have 7. And mind you, whatever the value you get in the first one must be equal to this one. They must be the same. So 7 divided by 7 is 1. So we have g. So remember, this sign also will work into that. But 7 in 21, it's going to give us 3. So if we look at this value here and the value here, they are the same. So let's move further from here. From this value, it will now turn to, this is g minus 3 bracket plus 7g minus 3 equals 0. So with this, it will now turn to, we'll bring this one here, now come to 3 minus g minus 3 equals 0, or this g plus 7 equals 0. So it will now give us g equals 3 or g equals minus 7. Equation 3 already giving us the value of 0 in this equation. So g equals 3 or g equals minus 7. Let's go to example 4. We have 15 minus 2e minus e squared equals 0 here. So you know this equation is different from what we have from the equation 3, equation 2 of our first video. So we are looking for how to rearrange this thing. So we arrange everything in total. So if we arrange everything here, that means we're bringing everything from this side to this side, so that to change all these negative signs. So let's take it now. If you carry this plus e squared to this side, it will give you plus e squared. This minus 2e squared, if you carry it, transfer it to this side. The simple analogy is we transfer everything here to here to make them equal 0. So Once we transfer everything here to here, it will turn to plus 2 here. Then this one, so far is positive here. In front, we have positive here. We may not put it there, but it's a positive 15. So it now turn to negative 15 here. So far, we transfer everything here equals 0. From here now, like I said, we need to multiply anything here with this. Once we multiply, whatever it gives you, the one that you remove and you add, that will give you this positive 2. So that's why we make use of this. We look for 15. 3 in 15 will give us 5. Then 5 in 5 is 1. So if you multiply 3 times 5, it's still going to give you 15. 15. That means 3 times 5 equals 15. Then this thing, we're looking for negative 2 now. So if we now make this one negative 3 plus 5 is equal to we're looking for this one, not this very particular one. So far we've already transferred everything here. It is this one we are looking for. So everything we now turn to, if you now remove 3 from 5, it will give you plus 2. Answer here, it could be plus 2. So with this now, we input this value, it will give you plus 2. Sorry viewer, it will give you plus 2. So we now input this value into our equation. So that's why we are getting s squared, this minus 3e plus 5 here minus 15 equals 0. So we put bracket inside. S squared minus 3e plus 5e minus 15 equals 0. So we now look for the what is likely equation in the bracket. So we bring out e. If e cancel e, we still have e. Then here we have e already here. If you divide this one with this e, it will give you remaining 3. That's why we get this value inside this bracket. So we look for what is common here too. We could see that 5 is common. 5 can go in 15. So that's why we bring out 5 here. So 5 in 5 is 1, remaining e. So 5 in 15, remaining 3. If you look at it, the value here and the value here, they are equal, making to sure that our equation of the real product is equal to 0 and the ZSM, they are the same as value. So we now bring out this one out. E minus 3 equals 0, or this e plus 5 equals 0. So from here now, this e equals, it will now turn into plus 3, because we transfer this 3 to where the 0 is, turn to 3, or e equals minus 5. This negative, once we transfer this 5 to the back of the where the 0 is, it will turn to minus 5. I hope this channel is adding value to you, but if you want more of this, we will want you to subscribe to our channel for further video that will come out. Till our next video, I'm yours because he cares.